good way into it.
Okay.
Yeah, basically this one is just from a few days ago. It basically just says that NASA awards SpaceX, Blue Origin, and 3 other companies a total of $146 million in contracts across all 5 to make Moonlander designs. And I got the link there. It's on the Insider, Business Insider, but there's also a link down below to the actual press release from NASA. You guys can check that as well. It's just as that one says, NASA selects 5 companies to help mature Artemis landing concepts. The 5 companies involved are Blue Origin out of Washington. Obviously, you guys know, $25.6 million for their contract. Dynetics out of Huntsville, Alabama, $40.8 million. Lockheed, $35.2. Northrop Grumman at $34.8, and then SpaceX for $9.4. And you guys already know, if you're keeping up with the SpaceX won a previous contract, and I wanted to make that kind of clear. It's, if you've heard us talk about it or anybody else talk about SpaceX winning out of a contract of, let's say, Blue Origin and other ones previously, that's a different contract.
Yes,
they're related. They're all part of Artemis, but different contracts. So
I think because if it's my understanding correctly, maybe you can fix this in my head if I got it wrong, is that one is to actually deliver to them to orbit, and then this is the one to actually get them onto the surface at some level using a different design that's going to be outside of the original one that SpaceX got. So, and it's exciting to see. It's interesting who got different amounts of money, because Blue Origin got 146 million, which is, I guess, the lion's share. I think Blue Origin got. Oh no, excuse me. There was a total of 146, but Blue Origin got the largest.
No,
25.6. No, the 40.
Dynetics got 40.8.
40.8. Okay. Yeah. So we're gonna have to keep up with who's gonna have what in that lunar lander development contract, and who's gonna, I guess, officially at this point land it, because I guess these are just design concepts. It's at the conceptual stage, and we'll see who gets it.
Yeah, exactly.
So that's pretty cool.
More to follow on this, and we'll see what they develop, of course, and we'll cover it for you guys. And let you know what happens.
We will do such.
That'd be cool.
Okay, so those are the first 2 that we want to touch on, especially getting the update on Inspiration4. If you get a chance, like, subscribe, follow. Let us know how you guys feel about it. And your comments below. Let us know how you feel about who actually might win that contract in the lunar lander design. But, okay. After that, what do we got for you next?
Yeah, where do you want to go next?
You